tour of the New York in the Players Suite. That's floor number 8 and room number 55. It's actually right next to the elevator, which is really good. Anyways, I tried to use the bell desk services to get all my stuff here, which is all that and some more. But there was none available, so I had some work out here. Anyways, we have one bathroom here with the standard New York stuff. They did not fully renovate these parts of the room, only some decoration and whatnot. They also just renovated the flooring here. They got rid of the carpets. I stayed actually in this room before, and it was so 90s era. They got rid of all these paintings on the wall. It was all 90s, and they replaced it with this faux bricks. The main thing with this suite is this jacuzzi here with a jetted tub and everything like that. I'm so gonna use it soon. It seems that they also removed the fridge, or because there was a fridge just here before the renovations, so we will see what's up in the other part of the room. But we have the 2 queen beds here, this little chit-chat area. They also changed the desk here. It was much bigger. It was like filling up all the space, and they also replaced the couch here. They installed a small fridge here. There was a huge standing fridge, full-size fridge before. Huge TV 1, huge TV 2 here. Some New York style decoration. That's really nice. I actually like it. Gives you the New York vibe. Let's see the view. I haven't checked. I literally just stepped into the room, so I don't know. Yeah, so we have the roller coaster view. Look at that. Okay, and Park MGM and whatnot. So that's not a strip view or anything like that, since it's more like a T-Mobile and roller coaster combined view. But we have much more windows to look out from. Well, we can't really, because there's no access to it. It's only like very limited access here. Let's see. Yeah. So they gonna enjoy the ride. Yeah, not so professional camera movement. So I just arrived from like 40 hours of traveling, so bear with me. Anyways, I have no problems with that view, you know. It's definitely not strip view. It's definitely not even a high floor. I said I'm on floor 8, so it's so much more floor to go. But it's a very decent room for what it is and where it is, especially after renovations. I just switched on this lamp here. So it's all good, you know. It's awesome to have this suite at New York is a very good located hotel and everything like that. So everything is fine. I have no issues whatsoever. That's the room I ended up with. I switched so many times the rooms. I'm gonna take that at the end. That was the best option. So this reservation comes with $800 of free play and $600 of resorts credit, what I'm going to use with my friends and myself over the coming days. So 4 nights here in this room. Yeah, let's see where we end up. Gonna enjoy. As some big quality YouTuber would say, take care everybody. Talk to you later.